Welcome on the Bold Topics, and I am Anand Mai. Where did International Women's Day begins? For more than a century, people around the world have been celebrating March 8 as a special day for women. In 1910, a woman named Clara Zetkin led the foundation of International Women's Day. International Women's Day or Mahila Divas emerged from the workers' movement, which was later recognized by the United Nations as an annual celebration. The process of making this day special began 115 years ago, that is in 1908, when about 15,000 women took out a parade in New York City, America. Their demand was that women's working hours should be reduced, they should get good salary, and women should also get the right to vote. A story of UP Supermom. An illiterate woman from Patoli village of the region inspired her husband to study, and he became a supervisor in a sugar mill after graduation. At the same time, she taught 5 children by spinning yarn and weaving carpets and sheets. Due to her work of the mother, all 5 children received higher education. At present, all are achieving success in different fields. This illiterate woman is an example of women empowerment. Sahira Khatun, daughter of Wahid, resident of village Rakhara of Vikas Khand, Morna areas, was married in the year 1979 to Iqbal Ahmed, resident of village Patoli of Gram Panchayat Bhopa, who had passed class 4. Illiterate wife Shahida inspired her husband to study and herself browed cotton and spun the yarn and made carpet sheets etc. and sold them. This small city of India is the Bahubali of business. The chairman of Mahindra and Mahindra had shared a video describing Morbiya of Gujarat and city's dominance in the ceramic industries. Anand Mahindra expressed his happiness after watching this video on Morbi. The video tells how a small city is playing a big role at the global level in the ceramic industries. Morbi has developed into a global ceramic hub, accounting for 90% of India's ceramic production, with nearly 100 family-owned factories. Morbi's ceramic industry has been flourishing since the 1930th century, competing with China and offering quality comparable to Italy's premium quality. Harvard Professor Advice for Children. Bharat and Ananda, a professor at Harvard Business School, believes that parents should focus more on skills than teaching their children about computer science or technology. Emphasis should be on making children creative, developing decision-making skills, teaching arts and music, and telling them about human emotions. And big revelation in report about obesity. According to report, in the year 1990, only 12% women and 8% men of India were obese, and out of these, only 73 lakh were youth between 50 to 24 years. But in the year 2021, 2 crore 98 lakh youth of this age group become victims of obesity, and today in 2025, more than 10 crores people of India are overweight, and obesity has surrounded them from all sides. Scheme started in Delhi on the occasion of International Women's Day. The Delhi government has started the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana to empower economically weak women. Under this scheme, the Delhi government will give financial assistance of Rs 2,500 every month to women. This amount will be sent directly to the account of women. About 15 to 20 lakh women will get the benefit of this scheme. The benefit of Mahila Samriddhi Yojana will be available only to those women whose family's annual income is less than 3 lakh rupees and that woman does not do a government job. For this, while applying, you will also have to attach income certificate as a necessary document. L&T boss with 90 hours work week gives good news to women. L&T Chairman S.N. Subramaniam has announced that women employees of L&T Group will now be given 1 day leave during periods. Women employees are about 9% of the company's 60,000 employees. After this announcement, the giant company of engineering, procurement and construction sector has become the first such company in its sector. According to a report by Naukri, 35% of women employees consider period leave as their first policy demand. Meanwhile, L&T has started this initiative. Now, women employees will get 1 day extra leave during the month. Professor told about MIT's shocking study. Professor Bharat and Ananda said that this is a big question. On this subject, MIT research did an interesting study in which students were divided into two groups. The first group was given the opportunity to learn with the help of AI chatbots, while the second group was only allowed to do Google search. The result of the study were very interesting. The students who learned from AI understood the subject quickly, but when they were asked to use that knowledge in a new context, they could not do it or could do it less. On the other hand, the students who learned from Google search took more time to learn but later performed well in the exam. Delhi Traffic Police wrote a letter to the Education Department. To reduce road accidents in Delhi, Delhi Traffic Police has recommended teaching traffic rules to students in school. For this, Special Commissioner of Traffic Police Ajay Chaudhary has also written a letter to Secretary of the Education Department. In this, he has asked to include the lesson of traffic rules in the curriculum. Delhi Traffic Police wrote a letter to the Education Department to reduce road accidents in Delhi. Delhi Traffic Police has recommended that students in schools should be taught traffic rules. For this, Special Commissioner of Traffic Police Ajay Chaudhary has also written a letter to the Secretary of the Education Department. In this, he has said that traffic rules should be included in the curriculum. More than 600 people arrested in 3 hours. A big martial stroke of the police is going on in public place and roads in Ghaziabad before Holi. The police has taken a big action. The police has arrested more than 600 people here in just 3 hours. Mosque will have to give account of income after the accounting of the properties of Chhattisgarh State Waqf Board. Now Mosque will also have to give information about every rupee of income and expenditure. Till now, mosques were free from this. The State Waqf Board has issued an order to the Maulanas of 1, 2 to 3 mosques to get an audit done. Preparation to extend the connectivity of Northeast via Chicken Neck. A direct rail service from Araria district to Galgolia in Kishanganj district is going to start this year, which will provide access to Bengal and Nepal border. This project will become the second major rail route connecting Northeast to India via Chicken Neck. The start of this route will not only facilitate movement but will also extend the security of the country. Tesla's first showroom in India will open in Mumbai's BKC complex. American electric car manufacturer Tesla's first showroom in India will open in Mumbai. For this, the company has rented 400 square feet of space in Bandra Kurla complex. The company is also going to pay a hefty rent for this. According to documents shared by CRE Matrix, billionaires Elon Musk company will pay a rent of more than Rs 35 lakh per month for this place, which also includes some parking space. India's purchase of weapons from Russia will also be banned. The ongoing disputes over traffic had not even ended when America objected to India's purchase of weapons from Russia. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said that India should end its dependence on Russian weapons. He said that doing so will make the relationship between India and America even stronger. Amazing benefits of Ginger. Ginger is a powerful herb that has many health benefits. Improves digestion, reduces inflammation, relief from cold and cough, promotes heart health. Beneficial for diabetes, helps in weight loss.